Whiskey River don't run dry. You're all I got to take care of me. Whiskey River, take my body. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River don't run dry. You're all I got to take care of me. Of his soul, feeling amber current flowing from my mind. Warm and empty heart, you left so cold. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. You're all I got, take care of me. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. You're all I got, take care of me. Thank you all very much, and welcome to Farm Aid number 40. Thank you all for coming out and making it a big success. The sun is filled with ice, it gives no warmth at all. The sky was never blue. Stars and raindrops searching for a place to fall. And I never cared for you. I know you won't believe the things I tell you. No, you won't believe. Your heart has been forewarned. All men will lie to you, and your mind cannot conceive. Now, all depends on what I say to you, and on your doubting me. I've prepared these statements far from true. May he and disbelieve. Sun is filled with ice, gives no warmth at all. The sky was never blue. Stars and raindrops searching for a place to fall. I never cared for you. Filled with ice, gives no warmth at all. The sky was never blue. Stars and raindrops searching for a place to fall. I never cared for you. I never cared for you. I never cared for you. Thank you. And if you had not have fallen, I would not have found you. Angel flying too close to the ground. I patched up your broken wing and hung around a while, trying to keep your spirits up. And you'll fever now. And I knew someday you would fly away. Love's the greatest healer to be found. Leave me if you need to. I will still remember angel flying too close to the ground. Fly on past the speed of sound. I'd rather see you up than see you down. Leave me if you need to. I will still remember angel flying too close to the ground. Leave me if you need to. I will still remember flying too close to the ground. Thank you. Thank you all. We'd like to invite Lily Miolo out here. Great talent. She's a Golden Buzzer winner, and she's going to sing on something. We're going to do a song together. Lily Miolo.
Sweet is a song when the song is love. Love that has stood the test of time. And when you've heard all the songs of love, will you remember mine?
Gone are the times when I held you close and pressed your lips to mine. And now when you kiss another's lips? Will you remember mine?
Sat neath the trees while the cool summer breeze blew away the sands of time,
And thought of days when you were near, remembering when you were mine.
gone are the times when I walked with you and held your hand in mine.
And now, when you hold another's hand, will you remember mine?
Now when you hold another's hand,
Will you remember mine? Willie. On the road again. Can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. And I can't wait to get on the road. Everybody singing. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends. Sing that the world keeps turning our way. And our way. I can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. We go down the highway. We're the best of friends. Sing that the world keeps turning our way. And our way. On the road again. Can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Thank you. Got Mickey over there playing the harmonica. Billy back there on the drums. Kevin over there somewhere. There you are. And we got Waylon over there. This is my son Lucas right here. And another son of mine, Micah, over here. So let's do Just Breathe.
As we sit alone know someday we must go on. Oh, I'm a lucky man to count on both hands the ones I love. Some folks just have one, others they've got none. Stay with me, or let's just breathe.
Practice are my sins, never gonna let me win. And under everything, just another human being. Oh, I don't want to hurt, but there's so much in this world to make me bleed. Stay with me, you're all I see. Did I say that I need you? Did I say that I want you?
Oh, if I didn't, I'm a fool, you see. No one knows this more than me. As I come clean, I wonder every day as I look upon your face.
Everything you gave, nothing you would take. Nothing you would take. Everything you gave. Did I say that I need you? Did I say that I want you?
Oh, if I didn't, I'm a fool, you see. No one knows this more than me. As I come clean, I take one, Dad. Nothing you would take, everything you gave.
Hold me till I die, meet you on the other side. Thank you. Mama, don't let them babies grow up to be cowboys. Don't let them pick guitars, drive them old trucks, make them be doctors, lawyers, and such. Mama, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. They'll never stay home, and they're always alone, even with someone they love. Cowboys ain't easy to love, and they're harder to hold. They'd rather give you a song than diamonds and gold. Lone Star belt buckles, old faded Levi's, and each night begins a new day. And if you don't understand him and he don't die young, he'll probably just ride away. Mama, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. Don't let them pick guitars and drive them old trucks. Make them be doctors and lawyers and such. Mama, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. They'll never stay home and they're always alone, even with someone they love. Cowboys like smoky old pool rooms and clear mountain morning. Little warm puppies, children and girls of the night.
They don't know him, won't like him, and some that do sometimes won't know how to take it. He ain't wrong, he's just different, but his pride won't let him do things to make you think he's right. Mama, let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
Don't let them pick guitars and drive them old trucks. Make them be doctors and lawyers and such. Mama,
Don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
they'll never stay home and they're always alone, even with someone they love. All right, thank you. Georgia, Georgia, the whole day through. Just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. I said, Georgia, Georgia, a song of you comes as sweet and clear as moonlight through the pines. Other arms reach out for me. Other eyes smile tenderly. Still, in peaceful dreams I see the road leads back to you. Georgia, Georgia, no peace I find, and just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Georgia, no peace I find, and just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. It's just an old sweet song. Keeps Georgia on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Thank you. Waylon, play that song your mom, Sammy Smith, had that big hit on.
Yes, sir. Take the ribbons from your hair.
That's the one, yeah.
And shake it loose and let it fall. It's laying soft against your skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side until the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong. I won't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Though tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. When it's sad to be alone, help me make it through the night. Let the devil take tomorrow, 'cause tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. And it's sad to be alone, but I'm not, 'cause I'm playing with Willie Nelson. Help me make it through the night. I don't wanna be through the night.
All right. We've been watching way too much TV lately, so we did a little review on it. Could you tell them about it, Micah?
It's a love song. Sing along.
Yeah, y'all sing along.
Everything, 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 everything is bullshit. It's bullshit.
Bullshit.
Everything, 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 everything is bullshit.
Bullshit, bullshit, bullshit.
It's bullshit. It came out of a bull. It landed on the ground. It grew a little mushroom. And then a hairy ape man, he put it in his mouth. He started having thoughts, all kinds of ideas. Grew himself a little ego. Invented a new language, but then he built a tower, designed a system of power. You know, I read it in the paper. He made a tiny computer that fits inside your hand, communicate across the planet. Look back into the cosmos. Post a picture for your Facebook. Make a profile on your Snapchat. Murder people from a distance and laugh at videos of cats. Everything, 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 everything is bullshit. It's bullshit. Oh, everything, 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 everything is bullshit.
Bullshit, bullshit.
It's bullshit. It's just a bunch of fucking bullshit. Oh my gosh.
I love you, Farm Aid. I love all of you. Love you. Thank you.
I'm the last leaf on the tree. The autumn took the rest, but they won't take me. I'm the last leaf on the tree. And when the autumn wind blows, they're already gone. They flutter to the ground, and they just can't hang on. There ain't nothing in this world that I ain't seen. And I greet all the new ones that are coming in green. I'm the last leaf on the tree. The autumn took the rest, but they won't take me. I'm the last leaf on the tree. They say I got staying power here on this tree. And I've been here since Eisenhower and outlived even he. I'm the last leaf on the tree. The autumn took the rest, but they won't take me. I'm the last leaf on the tree. And I fight off the snow, and I fight off the hail. Nothing makes me go. I'm like some vestigial tale. And I'll be here through eternity, if you want to know how long. And if they cut down this tree, I'll come back in a song. I'm the last leaf on the tree. The autumn took the rest, but they won't take me. I'm the last leaf on the tree. I'm the last leaf on the tree. I'm the last leaf on the tree. Thank you. Thank you all very much. And roll me up and smoke me when I die. If anyone don't like it, look 'em in the eye. I didn't come here and I ain't leaving, so don't sit around and cry. Roll me up and smoke me when I die. You won't see no sad and teary-eyed.
No teary-eyed.
When I get my wings, it's my time to fly.
My time to fly.
Call my friends and tell them there's a party, come on by. Roll me up and smoke me when I die. me out and build a roaring fire.
Hey, roaring fire,
Roll me in the flames for about an hour.
about an hour.
Take me out, twist me up, point me toward the sky. Roll me up and smoke me when I die. Roll me up and smoke me when I die. And if anyone don't like it, look 'em in the eye. I didn't come here and I ain't leaving, so don't sit around and cry. Roll me up and smoke me when I die. I didn't come here and I ain't leaving, so don't sit around and cry. Roll me up and smoke me when I die. I hear you. Thank y'all very much. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's heaven on the way in the sky, Lord, in the sky. I was standing by my window on a cold, cold, cloudy day. Saw that hearse come rolling, going to carry my mother away. Everybody say, will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? Heaven on the way in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Some glad morning when this life is gone, I'll fly away to a land on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. Everybody say, I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away when I die. Hallelujah, bye bye. One more time. I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away when I die. Hallelujah, bye bye. I'll fly away when I die. Hallelujah, bye bye. I'll fly away. All right, thank you. I'll fly away. I'll fly away when I die. Hallelujah, my God. I'll fly away. One more time. I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away when I die. Hallelujah, my God. I'll fly away when I die. Hallelujah, my God. I'll fly away. I hear you. Thank you. Y'all got time for one more? Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble. when you're perfect in every way. I can't wait to look in the mirror, 'cause I get better looking each day. To know me is to love me. I must be the hell of a man. Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble, but I'm doing the best that I can. I used to have me a girlfriend, but I guess she couldn't compete with all those love-starved women that keep clamoring around my feet. I could probably find me another, but I guess they're all in all of me. Who cares? I never get lonesome, 'cause I cherish my own company. Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble when you're perfect in every way. When you're perfect in every way. Can't wait to look in that mirror. I can't wait to look in the mirror. Better looking each day, 'cause I get better looking each day. To know me is to love me. I must be the hell of a man. Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble, but I'm doing the best that I can. I guess you could say I'm a loner, a cowboy outlaw, tough and proud. I could have a lot of friends if I wanted, but I wouldn't stand out in the crowd. Some folks say that I'm egotistical. Hell, I don't even know what that means, unless it has something to do with the way that I fill out my skin-tight blue jeans. Oh, Lord, it's hard to be humble when you're perfect in every way. I can't wait to look in the mirror, 'cause I get better looking each day. To know me is to love me. I must be the hell of a man. Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble, but we're doing the best that we can. Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble, we're doing the best that we can. Thank y'all very much. That was great. Thank y'all. Happy Farm Aid number 40. Thank y'all for coming out and helping us make it a big, huge success. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. All right. I saw the light. I saw the light. No more darkness. No more night. I'm so happy. Sorrow inside. Praise the Lord. I saw the light. I once Thank you very much. Thank you, Charlie. And thank you all for, hope you had a good day.